tutorial on how to play I Just Need You by Toby Mac. We're in standard tuning. There's no capo. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you the basic chord progression that's played throughout the entire song. So we have a couple chords here. We have a flat, a C minor, an F minor, and a G minor. If you're a beginner, don't fret. I'll teach you how to play those as 5 chords. But if you are advanced, I'll teach you how to play them as bar chords as well. So we're going to start out here with our A flat. For our A flat, if you're advanced and you know how to do the bar chords, you're going to bar your 4th fret. Middle finger is going to be on the 5th fret of the G string, which is the 3rd string up here. Ring finger is going to be on the 6th fret of the A, and your pinky is tucked right under on the 6th fret of the D. So that is your A flat major bar chord. For our G minor, we're going to slide our bar down to the 3rd fret here. Index and ring finger, your ring finger and your pinky are going to be on the 5th frets of the A and the D string. If you're a beginner, all you do is you lift that index finger up to the 3rd fret on the low E string and you just play those top 3 strings. Same thing over here with the A flat chord. Your middle finger and your index, all these fingers stay the same, but your index is not barring, it's just playing that high or low E string, the top E string there. Okay, so that's the A flat and the G minor. For your F minor, it's the exact same shape as the G minor, just shift it down to the 1st fret. So that's how you play it as a beginner, and that's how you can play it as an advanced bar chord. And then finally we have a C minor. So you can bar the 3rd fret with your index finger from the 5th string down. Your middle finger will be on the 4th fret of the B. Ring finger on the 5th fret of the D. Pinky on the 5th fret of the G string. And if you're a beginner, again, don't bar it. Just put your index finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. And don't play this high E. Okay, so those are the chords. For the chord progression itself, we're going to start out on our A flat, strum that once, we're going to go to our F minor, strum that once, we're going to go to our C minor, strum that, and then to our G minor. So the progression is A flat, F minor, C minor, and finally G minor. Okay, so then if you'd like to add in a little bit of strumming and embellish the song here, you can strum like this. So down, 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 to your F, down, 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 to our C minor, down, 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 G minor, A flat, F minor, C minor, G minor. Okay, so that's the basic progression that's played throughout the entire song. If you know how to do that, you can play along with the song and sing with it. That's going to be it for this tutorial. If you have questions, go ahead and comment below. If you'd like to see more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.